Hey, I'm Sandhu, a service advisor at Mercedes-Benz of Chantilly. In honor of National Car Care Month, I'd like to talk about your yearly or 10,000 mile service and why is it essential. Every year or 10,000 miles, your Mercedes-Benz needs a comprehensive service to keep it running at peak performance. This includes fully synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and complete inspection, including brakes, tires, to make any necessary recommendations to your Mercedes-Benz to be safe and efficient for upcoming spring. Regular maintenance is the main key to keep your Mercedes running like brand new. Call us and schedule your yearly maintenance with us here at Mercedes-Benz Chantilly.